Hey y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home. I'm going to make a recipe for Vlogmas. Yes, I'm going to try Vlogmas again. I didn't do very well last year. I'm going to try it again. I don't know if I'll make one every day, but I'm going to try my hardest. And I am making a cheese ball, and I needed these peppers. I wanted just a couple, but it was cheaper just to buy this bag. I've got the peppers here. I'm making some more cookies for another collab, so I've just got a small container of vanilla and chocolate icing. Don't know if I'll need them, but I just wanted to stock up on the things that I'm probably going to need this month. I hit the jackpot for all you canners out there. I got some lids. I didn't take them all, but I wanted to take a whole box, but I didn't. And I stocked up on those because I'm running low on the regular. I didn't even look at the big ones because I have a pretty good bit of those. I got some cranberries for some recipes. Also, I always buy these the cranberries, the dried cranberries and the candy pecans, but I'm like, I've got pecans and I can buy cranberries. So I bought the cranberries to make my own of this instead of buying this little bag for $2. Also, I can make candies and cookies and stuff with that if I have enough. I got several sour creams. I got one over here too. But I think I got 2 sour creams for dips and everything for the holidays. A lot more cream cheese. I got 4 more. They didn't have any of the 2-packs, so I just got 4 of those. I got some candy decorating things down here. Some red and green icing. And then I got a small white one, just in case. And I got a small red one. And it's way cheaper than going to Food Line and getting it. I've got some mini M&Ms. The boys love to just shake those. Jackson always wants to open his, but I'll just leave them in the back of the car. And Jonah loves to shake it, so I just keep those. So I bought my own, so I can have some for decorating some more cookies. I got a couple waters. I had to open these pretzel twists for Jonah in Walmart. And did I tell you this is a Walmart haul? I don't know if I did in the beginning or not. But I needed these for some cookies and some recipes too, so I got those. I got some dried cherries for some recipes. Doug likes the chocolate covered cherries that they have, the dried cherries that they had at Lidl. Now Aldi has them, so I need to go over there and get some. I've got some bananas for the kids. They always love bananas. Banana pancakes are their favorite breakfast. I got some chips. I got some deluxe whole cashews over there. I got some black olives. Love to have black olives for the holidays. My mom always bought them, so I loved them too. So I got some chili cheese corn chips. I found these caramel apple pops in Walmart. I cannot believe it. I had to grab a couple. I had to grab a bag because I love these things. And I don't know why I didn't see them during fall, but I'm glad I did. I got some cheesecake muffins and blueberry muffins. I like to make these for the kids. If you just add an egg and milk, you can make pancakes with them. And I made them some this morning, some apple cinnamon ones. Oh, he sees that toy. I'll show you that one. I've got some croissant to make some chicken salad croissants. They're so good, especially around the holidays. I better show you this now. I got Jackson. He loves Toy Story, so I got him this 3-piece set. It's a toothbrush holder, a toothbrush, and a rinse cup, and it's got Woody on there, and he loves Woody and Buzz. So, and then I got Doug a 24-pack of Sun Drops, Diet Sun Drops. Okay, let's go back over here. I got a bag of Rolos unwrapped, because I want to make some cookies with those for a recipe. I just got 1 corn here. I think there was 12 of them in that little box that you get, that they come in from the truck. So I got 12 of those because they're 38 cents, and we eat a lot of corn, so I wanted to stock up on that. Got Doug some lunch meat. He likes the Spam with the flavors in it, but it's outrageous, so that one was way cheaper. I got pepper jack. I went in there for some. You can't have that, buddy. There's his hand in it. I wanted Colby Jack. Monterey Jack. I wanted Monterey Jack for a recipe because I needed a white cheese, and of course they didn't have it, so I got pepper jack. Hopefully no kids will be eating this recipe. And sorry about the ducks. Those ducks always start yakking when I make a video. Alright, macaroni and cheese. That's what I get for the kids. You put it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes and it's done. So I have that for them. The red Spanish peanuts. I don't know if it focuses or not. But I got that to make peanut brittle. I meant to get some raw peanuts in a bag. Those are so good for peanut brittle too. There's my other sour cream. I think I got 2 or 3. I got some baking cups for Christmas. They were only 97 cents. I got some green onions for a recipe. I got parsley for a recipe. I got Doug's buffalo chicken slices for his lunches. I got some broccoli florets. I've been out of broccoli. And I got some biscuits. I got a 4-pack of biscuits, and I'm going to make those little sausage, cream cheese, and cheese biscuits instead of the croissants. I'm going to try it in the biscuits. And I will link that video down below. Those things were amazing. Even me that I'm not a big sausage fan, I loved them. So, but that's all I got from Walmart. It wasn't that much. I didn't want to spend that much. I'm still trying to do a low spend. But I can't remember the price. I'll put it up on the screen. It was over $100. But I got a $25 gift card from one of my credit card rewards, so I used that on it. So, not too bad. Oh, I almost forgot. I got 2 shirts for Jonah. So, when we go out in the mornings, instead of putting on his coat, which he hates to put it on there, he can put the sweatshirt on. And this says Good Mood Dude, and he is always in a good mood, and this fits him to a T. He's not very fussy a lot, so I got him that one for $4.50. And I got this one, the camouflage. And I tried to get him some white socks. I wanted them to have some white socks, but I could not find any. Everything, it just said girls everywhere. I didn't say anything, it says boys. So that's my Walmart haul. And this is my little tiny Dollar Tree haul. They didn't have very much. And I'm trying to make myself not just grab stuff that I don't need or don't have any idea what I'm going to do with. So all I did was get these bows. I got a couple different ones. I got the burlap kind, the buffalo check, and the red one. And she said the big ones went fast. I didn't see any big ones, but I got these. I got 2 of each one. I got a believe sign. And when I went in there to pay, I go to the counter and it was bent, so I had to run back and get another one. And I got one of these, a dish drying mat. I thought that was cute for the holidays. And then I got a couple of their Christmas trees. Sorry for that, the glare. But I'm going to try and combine a couple together and see if I can make a big Christmas tree with it. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, my buddy is want me to pick him up or he hit his head or something. So I'm going to wrap up this dollar. I'm going to wrap up. Okay. Alright, that's all I have for my Walmart and my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow on the next video for Vlogmas Day. I'm not even going to say what day is going to come on, but I'll see you in the next video for Vlogmas.